Post Peel Balm. This is going to be a must-have when you're doing treatments like chemical peels. This helps you if somebody comes in and they're irritated, say they've been blowing their nose a lot, they have a lot of allergies and they have a chapped nose area. Their lips are chapped. You want to make sure you coat this Post Peel Balm on before you do any type of peel treatment. Also after waxing, perfect for the eyebrows, anywhere that you have waxed, so that when you do the peel, the peel does not get on the skin. The Post Peel Balm occludes it and causes a kind of a barrier so that nothing can penetrate in there and irritate the skin. If you over peel somebody, if you over wax somebody, this Post Peel Balm should be carried as a retail item. You can send them home with it, have them apply it for the next couple of days until that skin reepithelializes and actually causes it to calm down. So this product is really good for actually calming and soothing the skin that's been irritated. So over peeled skin, great product to go home with. We have a lot of clients that even like this Post Peel Balm for their lips, or if they go skiing to help occlude and protect their skin. This is the Rest and Restore. This is the hyaluronic gel that we use when we're doing the procedure for the microneedling. What this does is actually gives the skin a drink of water. So it plumps, it hydrates, and it intensifies the moisture level with a client that maybe doesn't want a real heavy moisturizer but wants more moisture. She can just add this, or he can add this to their routine, and this will boost up moisture production. In the microneedling, they will use this during the procedure, and we will send this home with the client after the procedure.